If you've ever needed to bring your Excel data into Confluence to share, collaborate, or make your reports a bit more interactive, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to import an Excel file into Confluence using the Elements Spreadsheet add-on. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to smoothly bring in your spreadsheets without formatting headaches or copy-paste disasters. Let's dive right in. Alright, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Confluence workspace. So open up your web browser and log into Confluence, where all your pages and projects are. If you're working with a team, this will ensure everything is in the right space right from the start. Now, before you can actually start importing, we need to make sure you have the Elements Spreadsheet app installed. Think of Elements Spreadsheet as the bridge between your Excel files and the Confluence environment. If your company already uses Elements Spreadsheet, you might see it in your sidebar, so you're all set. If you don't see it yet, you'll need to download or add it. Don't worry, this only takes a moment. Usually, you'll go to the Atlassian marketplace, just search for Elements Spreadsheet and click the button to add or install it. If you're not an admin, this might be a good moment to ask your administrator for help real quick. Having this add-on in place makes all the difference. It's what gives Confluence the ability to actually interpret Excel files, so it's a must-have for this process. Once Elements Spreadsheet is installed, you'll notice a new option in Confluence's interface down at the bottom left. Go ahead and select Elements Spreadsheet. It can feel a little tucked out of the way, but that's where you'll manage all the imported spreadsheets and create new ones. Don't worry if the menu takes a second to load. Sometimes plugins like this need a quick moment to initialize. With Elements Spreadsheet open, your next step is to create a new custom template. Click Create New Custom Template. Now, templates are Confluence's way of organizing different spreadsheets, so you can either make a blank sheet or, as we're about to do, bring in an Excel file and use that as your working template. This step matters because it keeps all your future imported spreadsheets neat and searchable. After you've chosen to create a new template, look for the Upload button. Go ahead and give that a click. This is where the magic really happens. It's what lets you pull data directly from your computer into Confluence. You'll likely see a file picker window pop up right away. Now navigate to where your Excel file is saved on your computer and select the one you want to upload. This is just like attaching a file to an email or uploading to Google Drive. If you're not sure which file to pick, you can always check the file name or open it up first to double-check it's the right one. When you select your Excel file, Confluence will get to work converting everything into an interactive spreadsheet right within your page. And that's it. Once the upload's done, your Excel data is available for you and your team to view, edit, and collaborate on right inside Confluence. No more emailing files back and forth or worrying about version control. Easy, right? So you've now learned how to import an Excel file into Confluence using Elements Spreadsheet. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about this process or want tips for organizing your spreadsheets, drop them in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides to help you work smarter in Confluence and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.